Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I did some runs with my stock Giulia. Probably be the last runs because I am going to install the tuning box later today. So here we go. Let's start with quarter mile numbers. Did a 13.30 at 101.45 with a minus 690 DA, and we can watch that right here. And then I beat that last night, actually early this morning, with a 13.24 at 101.83 miles an hour. And that had a minus 1,014 DA. And that run is right here. As far as the 8th mile, I had a pretty good run on that, an 8.38 at 82.11 miles an hour. That one had a minus 1,379 DA, and that run you can see right here. We can't leave out the 0 to 60 miles an hour. Let's go over them in order of when they happened. A minus 1,434 DA. We ran a 4.76. With the 1 foot rollout, it was 4.59. You can watch that video right here. And then we followed that up with a 4.72 with a 4.57, including the 1 foot rollout. That's all stock. It's saying you get I've seen reports from stock. Giulia's having a 5.1 to a 5.4, 0 to 60. So getting down to a 4.72 is amazing. If you count the 1 foot rollout, you're looking at a 4.57. That's great. That video is right here. So I'm going to get some more videos out. I'm going to go do that install right now on the tune box. Then it's going to need about 50 to 100 miles breaking in. So I'm going to work on that hopefully tonight, get that done, maybe even do some runs tonight. So fingers crossed on that. That video will be coming up shortly, probably within the next few days. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, be a member of that Alpha Pack, share the video. Thanks, guys.